Name of the topic is multiples and factors. Okay. Now first, what is mean by multiples? Multiples कशाला म्हणायचं? Multiples means here. Write the factors of the following numbers. First number is 8. Now see how to find out factors of 8. Okay. Factors of 8. 8. Now see, I write here 8. 8 is divisible by 2. Is it right? And therefore 2 multiplied by 4. That is 8. Is it right? Okay. Then see, in one table 8 comes and therefore 1 is a factor of 8. 2 के टेबल में 8 आ रहा है, yes, that is 2 is also factor of 8. 3 च्या टेबल मध्ये 8 येतो का? No. 4, yes, 4 to the 8. 5, no. 6, no. 7, not possible. Then table of 8, 8 is there because 8 1 the x here. 1 8 the 8. Okay. 2 4 the 8. Then 4 2 the 8. And 8 1 the 8. And therefore factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are 4 factors of 8. Okay. 5. Okay. Now see how to find out this 5. Factors of divisor of 5. Okay. Factors of 5. Okay. Write the factors of 5. 5 is present in the table of 5 and table of 1, and therefore 5 and 1 are the factors of 5. Okay. 5 and 1. These are only two factors of 5. Then 14. Now see, 14 is present in the table of 1. 1 14 the 14. Then 2 7 the 14. 3 के टेबल में नहीं. 4 no. 5 no. 6 no. Then 7. Then which table? 14 table 14 is present. Then 10. 10 is present in which table? First one is 1. Then 2. Then 5. And then 10. Now 7. 7 is present in the table of, here 7 is there, no? 1 and 7. Only two tables. Next 22. 22, okay. Next one is 22. 1 minute. 22. Now see, 22 is present in the table of 1. Then 2 on the 2, 2 on the 2, that is 2. 11 and 22. Okay. Now 25. Tell me 25. 25 is present in the table of 1. Then 5. Then 25. No any other table. Then 32. 32. Factors of 32 are 1. Then 2. Then which number? 1, 2. 32 is present in the table of 1, 2, then 4 8 the 32, that is 4, then 5 6 no 8, then 16 and 32. These are the factors of 32. Then 33. Now see 33. 33 are present in the table of 1, 3 because 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3. Okay. Then 11 3 the 33 and 33 1 the 33. This ends your practice set, problem set 30. What is meant by test of divisibility? Now see, test for divisibility of 2. If there is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the unit place, the number is a multiple of 2 or it is exactly divisible by 2. Means unit place अगर का 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 these numbers are present, then that number is exactly divisible by 2. Then test for 5 is if unit place of number is 5 or 0. Any number with 5 or 0 in its place is multiple of 5 or divisible by 5. Then test of 10, very easy. Any number that has 0 in its place is a multiple of 10. 33. Question number 1. Write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiple of 2. Multiple of 2 म्हणजे काय सांग? तर लास्टला काय पाहिजे? Its place contains 0, 2, 4, 8 and 6. Now see 5 3-digit numbers. Suppose I write first number as 340. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because last number contains 0. Then 342. This is also divisible by 2. Then 344. Okay. This is also divisible by 2. 4, 6, 8. Suppose I write here 366. Now see, in place is 6 and therefore it is multiple of 2. Suppose I write 428. Now see, unit test is 8. In place is 8 and therefore it is multiple of 2. Okay. Now see, write 5-digit numbers that are multiple of 5. Now multiple of 5. Unit place contains 0 and 5. That is multiple of 5. That means suppose I write 100. 100 is multiple of 5. Last is 0. Then suppose 105 is also multiple of 5. 110. Write any number. 210. 310. 410. Suppose I write here 410. 510. Okay, these are all numbers which are multiple of 5 because last digit is 0 or 5. Then write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiple of 10. Now test of 10 is last number contains 0. That means suppose I write 100, 200, then 300. Last is 0, no? Suppose I write 110, 220, 330. Last digit is 0. Then that is multiple of 10. See, answer of this third question is this. Okay. And answer of second question is this one. Answer of first question is this one. Now see divisor. 2, 5, 10. Now see here unit place is 5. Therefore it is not divisible by 2. Unit place contains 5. Therefore it is divisible by 5. Unit place contains 5. Therefore it is not divisible by 10. Now tell me, unit place is 0. Is it divisible by 2? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Therefore ST. Unit place contains 0. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Then 0 for 10, yes. Now 4,
Yes.
4, 2, yes. 5,
Yes.
4, unit place
Wrong.
4, no, that's wrong. 10, wrong, okay.
Wrong.
6 for 2 is, yes.
Right.
6 for 5 is, wrong.
Wrong.
6 for 10 is, wrong.
Wrong.
Now see, 5 for 2 is, wrong. 5
Wrong.
for 2 is, right.
Right.
But 5 for 10 is, wrong.
Right.
3 for 2 is, wrong.
Wrong.
5, wrong. This is also
Wrong.
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 2 is yes, no? 0 is
Right.
0. 5 is yes.
Right.
5 is yes. Then 4
Right.
goes right.
Right.
5 for 4, no.
Wrong.
Wrong. And 10 wrong. Okay?
Yes,
Now,
wrong.
next one is prime and composite factors. Okay, prime factors. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Okay? Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 4 are 1 to 4. Now factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Okay. Factors of 6 are 1. Then 2 के टेबल में 6 आ रहा है, therefore 2. Then 3 and then 6. 6 के टेबल में 6 आता है. Numbers 11. Factors are 1 and 11 only. For 12, which are the factors? 1. Then 2 के टेबल में आता है. Next one is 3 table, 4 table, 6 table, and last is 12 टेबल. ओके, देन 16 किस किस के टेबल में आ रहा है? 1, देन 2, देन 4, देन 8 and 16. Okay, now 19 which table comes? 1 and 19 only. Then 25, 1, 5, okay, and which table? 25 only. A number which has only two factors, that is 1 and number itself, is called prime number. For example, here 2. 2 has only two factors, 1 and 2. Therefore, 2 is called as prime number. Then see 3. 3 has only two factors, 1 and 3. And therefore, it is known as prime number. 5. See 5 is as factor 1 and 5. Therefore, it is called prime number. A number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. Okay. Now see our question is, remember this thing. This is very very important. Always ask in examination. One is number which is neither prime nor composite. Prime भी नहीं है, composite भी नहीं है. Okay. Then write all the prime numbers from 1 to 20. See, first one is 2 is the prime number. Then 3. Then which number is comes? 5. Then 7. Then 11. Remember this. Then 13. Then 17. And then 19. These are the prime numbers between 1 to 20. 1 and 20. Okay. Write all composite numbers between 21 and 50. Now see, between 21 and 50, which are the composite numbers? Between. Okay. Number between is there. Therefore, don't take this 21 and 50. Whenever between is there, don't take 21 and 50. Now see, 22 is composite number. Yes. 22. Then 23 is prime. Then 24. Then 25 is also composite. Then 26 also composite. Then 27 is also composite. 28 is composite because it is divisible by 2. 29 is divisible by only 29. Therefore, it is not a composite number. Then next number is 30. Then 32. Okay. Then which number is there? 33 is also composite number. 34 is also composite number. 35 is also composite number. 36 is also composite number. But 37 is not composite because 37 is divisible by only 37. Then 38 is also composite. 37 is divisible by 1 and 37. Okay. Now 39 is also composite because it is divisible by 13. 40 is also composite. Then 42 is also composite. Then 44 composite. 45 composite. Then 46 is also composite, but 47 is not composite number. And last number is 48 is also composite. 46, 48 composite, and 49 is also composite. Don't write these 50 because they are in between numbers. Now see, circle the prime numbers in the list given below. Now see, 37 is prime number, 43 is prime number, 53 is prime number. Now 57, 19 3 is 57. No. 59 is also prime number. 79 is prime number. And 97 is a prime number. Which of the prime numbers are even numbers? See, only 2 is the prime number which is even number. Even number means which is divisible by 2. Okay.